Top 5 blue collar jobs that are actually fun to do in 2025. You know what nobody tells you about blue collar work? That some of it's actually fun. Yeah, I said it. Fun. Not every trade is backbreaking, soul-crushing labor. Some of these gigs, they're like getting paid to play. And in 2025, the opportunities are insane. I'm talking careers where you wake up excited, where Monday doesn't feel like a prison sentence, where you're creating, building, living, and stacking cash while you do it. Before we get started, smash that like button and subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Look, I've been doing this for half a century. Yeah, 50 years old over here. Started as a punk kid in the sheet metal union. Spent 14 years there. Came in as green as grass. Left as a foreman, running crews. Then 15 years ago, I said, screw it. Started my own HVAC contracting business. 29 years in the trades total. And I've seen it all. The good, the bad, and the why the hell did I choose this moments. But here's what I know. Not all trades are created equal when it comes to enjoyment. Number 5, landscape designer. And before you roll your eyes and think, this is just mowing lawns, hold up. This ain't your neighbor's kid with a push mower. We're talking artists who sculpt the earth. These people are out here creating outdoor masterpieces, Japanese Zen gardens, rooftop paradises, living walls that look like something out of Avatar. And get this one, you're outside. No fluorescent lights slowly killing your soul. No cubicle walls closing in on you. Just sunshine, fresh air, and dirt under your fingernails. And yeah, sometimes rain. But hey, nothing's perfect. The money talk. Entry-level landscapers, $35K to $45K. But landscape designers with skills and creativity, $55K to $85K plus. Go contractor mode, build your own business, you're looking at $100K to $200K plus annually once you're established. I've seen landscape contractors pulling in serious money, especially in wealthy neighborhoods where people drop $50K on a backyard transformation like it's nothing. What you actually do, you're meeting with clients, understanding their vision, designing layouts, picking plants, materials, hardscaping, then either doing the work yourself or managing crews who execute your vision. You need an eye for design, knowledge of plants, soil, irrigation, drainage, basic CAD skills help. Customer service game needs to be strong. How to get in? Start with a landscaping company. Learn the basics hands-on. Study horticulture and design. Tons of online courses. Build a portfolio. Get certified as a landscaper designer or architect, depending on your state. Some companies will train you from scratch if you show up ready to work and learn. The fun factor? Every project is different. You're creating something from nothing. And when that design comes to life, when your clients tear up because their backyard is finally their dream space, that hits different. Plus, there's something therapeutic about working with living things, watching your design grow and mature over time. Number 4, robotics technician. Okay, hear me out. This is blue collar work. You're getting your hands dirty. You're troubleshooting machines. You're on factory floors and in warehouses. But you're working with robots. Robots, people. This is the trade career that makes you feel like you're living in the future, because you are. These techs are the people keeping automated systems running, programming robotic arms, maintaining AI-powered equipment, fixing million-dollar machines when they go down. The money talk. Starting out, $45 to $60K. With experience and certifications, $70 to $95K plus. Specialized techs working on advanced systems, $100K plus easy. And here's the kicker. This field is exploding. Every factory, warehouse, and manufacturing plant is automating. They need people who can keep these systems running. Job security? Check. What you actually do. You're installing robotic systems, programming PLCs, programming logical controllers, troubleshooting when robots malfunction, preventative maintenance, reading technical manuals and schematics. You need mechanical skills, electrical knowledge, basic programming, problem-solving abilities, and honestly, you got to be a bit of a nerd about it. How to get in? Community college programs, technical schools, associated degree in robotics or mechatronics. Some employers train on the job if you have an electrical or mechanical background. Military veterans with electronics training, you're prime candidates. The fun factor. Dude, you're working with robots. You're part of the technology revolution. Every day is a puzzle. Every breakdown is a challenge. And when you fix complex systems and get production running again, you're the hero. Plus, you can legitimately tell people at parties that you work with robots. That's just cool. Hey everyone, real talk for a second. If you're watching this and thinking, man, I want to get into these trades, but I don't know where to start, I got you. Check out Course Careers. Talk to Coura. This is Course Careers' new AI career counselor, and it's actually legit. Coura will help you figure out if HVAC, plumbing, electrical, construction project managing, construction estimating, architectural drafting, or supply chain coordinator fits your goals. Then you can start their free intro course, no experience needed, no college degree required. Students across multiple industries have used this to break into high-paying careers fast. We're talking 4 to 12 weeks. The intro course shows you exactly what the job is like day to day and teaches you how to actually get hired. Links in my description and pinned in the comments. Go check it out. All right, back to fun jobs. Number 3, electrician. Now look, I'm an HVAC through and through, but I respect the electricians. These people literally power our world. Everything you're using right now to watch this video, an electrician made it possible. And here's what makes electrical work fun. It's like solving puzzles, where if you mess up, things get spicy. Don't mess up. But seriously, electrical work is diverse. Residential, commercial, industrial, renewable energy, smart home technology. You're never bored. The money talk. Apprentice electricians, $35K to $45K while you're learning. Journeyman electricians, $55K to $80K plus. Master electricians, $75K to $110K plus. Go contractor, start your own electrical business, $150K to $300K plus annually is very achievable. I know electrician contractors clearing $500,000 in high demand markets. The electrical work never stops. Housing always needs upgrades. Businesses always need electrical. EVs are creating new demand on charging stations. You'll always have work. What you actually do? Installing electrical systems, reading blueprints, running wire, setting up panels and circuits, troubleshooting electrical problems, working on everything from basic outlets to complex industrial systems. You need technical knowledge, math skills, color vision for wire color coding, problem-solving abilities, physical stamina. Safety awareness is crucial. Electricity doesn't care about your feelings. How to get in? Union apprenticeships are the gold standard, 4 to 5 years of combined classroom and on-job training. You get paid while you learn. Non-union apprenticeships through contractors works too. Trade schools gives you the basics, like Course Careers I mentioned earlier. You'll need to get licensed. Requirements vary by state. The fun factor? Every job is a puzzle. You're diagnosing problems like a detective. The satisfaction when you flip that switch and everything works? Pure magic. Plus, you're essential. Power goes out, you're the hero who brings light back. And in 2025, smart homes, solar panels, EV charging, battery storage systems. Electricians are at the forefront of the future. You're not just keeping the lights on, you're building tomorrow's infrastructure.
Hi, quick break here. I've been an HVAC tech for 29 years, and the best way I recommend to get into HVAC without having any experience is through Course Careers' free HVAC course linked in the description. It will teach you exactly how to get hired. And if you decide on the full course, it covers everything you need to get your first job. The full course includes the skills to do the job and everything you need to actually get hired.
Number 2, custom furniture maker / carpenter. This one's for the artists in the trades. You know that feeling when you create something beautiful with your own 2 hands? These people live in that feeling every single day. We're not talking about mass-produced IKEA garbage. We're talking heirloom pieces, custom dining tables, that families will gather around for generations. Built-in shelving that transforms a house into a home. You're working with wood. There's something almost spiritual about it. Each piece of wood has its own character, its own story, and you're bringing it to life. The money talk. Entry-level carpenters, $35K to $50K. Skilled custom furniture makers, $60K to $95K plus. High-end artisan woodworkers with a reputation, $100K to $200K plus. Start your own custom furniture business? The sky is the limit. I've seen furniture makers charging $10K to $50K for a single piece. One custom dining table can make you $15K. Do 2 a month? You do the math. Rich people pay stupid money for quality custom work. What you actually do. Consulting with clients. Designing pieces. Selecting wood. Cutting. Shaping. Joining. Finishing. You're using traditional hand tools. Power tools. Maybe even CNC machines. Every project is custom. Every piece is unique. You need woodworking skills, obviously. Design sense. Attention to detail that borders on obsession. Patience, and the ability to visualize the finished piece from raw materials. How to get in. Apprentice with an experienced woodworker. Take woodworking classes. Community colleges often have programs. YouTube University honestly teaches a lot. Been there. Start with basic carpentry. Build your skills. Develop your style. Create a portfolio. The barrier to entry is lower than you think. Basic tools, a workspace, and skills are all you need. The fun factor. You're creating art that people use. Every project challenges you differently. The smell of fresh cut wood, the satisfaction of perfect joinery, the moment you apply the finish and the grain pops. And when clients see their custom piece for the first time, they almost always get emotional. You made that with your hands. The pride is irreplaceable. Plus, woodworking is meditative. It's therapy. It's problem solving and creativity combined. You're building things that outlive you. And number 1, this is going to surprise some of you. Artisan, butcher, or fishmonger. Yeah, I said it. Before you judge, listen. We're not talking about working in factory slaughterhouses. We're talking craft butchery, artisan work, knowing your product inside and out, literally. This is a skilled trade that's experiencing a massive renaissance in 2025. People want to know where their food comes from. They want quality. They want local. They want someone who actually knows meat. And guess what? That someone gets paid well. The money talk. Entry-level butchers, $30K to $45K. Skilled artisan butchers, $50 to $75K plus. Master butchers at the high-end shops or running their own business, $80 to $150K plus. Own a specialty butcher shop in the right market, $200K plus is absolutely possible. High-end restaurants pay top dollar for skilled butchers who can break down whole animals and provide custom cuts. What you actually do, you're breaking down whole animals into primal cuts and retail cuts. You understand anatomy. You know which cuts are the best for what cooking methods. You're advising customers, creating custom orders. Maybe you're dry aging beef, making sausages, curing meats. It's a craftsmanship. You need knife skills, knowledge of animal anatomy, customer service, food safety certifications, physical stamina, and honestly, you got to respect the animal and the craft. How do you get in? Start at a butcher shop or meat department. Learn on the job. Take classes in butchery. They're popping up everywhere. Some culinary schools offer programs. Apprentice with a master butcher if you can find one. The demand for skilled butchers is high and the supply is low. The fun factor. Okay, hear me out. It's surprisingly creative. You're problem solving. Every animal is slightly different. You're making recommendations. You're part of the local food movement. The satisfaction of a perfect cut is real. Plus the community aspect is huge. You're building relationships with customers, talking to farmers, connecting people with quality food. And the farm to table movement, the whole animal movement, artisan butchers are the center of that. You're not just cutting meat. You're preserving a dying art form. You're educating people. You're part of a food revolution. Is it physical? Yes. Is it for everyone? No. But for the right person, it's incredibly rewarding. And in 2025, with people caring more about food quality than ever, the trade is booming. So there you have it. 5 blue-collar jobs that are actually fun in 2025. From landscaping paradise to programming robots, from powering homes to building heirloom furniture, to becoming a master of the culinary craft. These aren't your grandpa's trades. No offense, Grandpa. These are careers where you create, where you solve problems, where you wake up and don't dread the day ahead. And the money? It's there, especially if you're willing to go contractor mode and build something of your own. Look, not every blue-collar job is fun. I'll be real with you. Some of them suck. But these 5, these are the ones where people are generally happy, where the work itself brings satisfaction beyond the paycheck. And isn't that what we all want? To not hate Mondays? To actually enjoy what we do? To build something we're proud of? These jobs give you that. If this video helped you, smash that like button. If you want more unfiltered trade career advice, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm out here trying to help people find careers that don't destroy their soul. And if that's you, welcome to the tribe. Oh, and one more thing. A plumber, an electrician, and a carpenter are arguing about whose dog is the smartest. The plumber snaps his fingers and says, "Wrench, do your stuff." The dog grabs a pipe, some fittings, and assembles a perfect joint in seconds. Everyone's impressed. The electrician says, "That's nothing. Sparky, show him." His dog grabs some wire, a switch, and wires up a 3-way light circuit flawlessly. The carpenter says, "Cute. Chip, go." His dog eats all the materials, claims he hurts his back, takes a 4-hour lunch break, and files for workers' comp. Yeah, that one's terrible. I know. Peace out.